Hey, what's up? Another day, another vlog na naman tayo. Another day, another short pala. Ayan po. Ayan. This is the place. Ano kami? Magka-casting. Yan po yung reels. Ayan, casting lang. Spinning rod gamit. Medyo mainit. Wish us luck. Another day, another fishing, another enjoyment, another memories to count on. Ayan, fishing. Ang ganda ng medyo mahangin lang pero ang ganda ng dagat. Still calm and ayan po. Maganda. See you later, magla-live tayo.